Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Toyota Corolla Apex XSE in black. With HID headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, power sunroof, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6961.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.